Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in Sydney, Australia from sydneyclassified.org and YouTube page. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, IT desktop support jobs in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. IT desktop support required in Sydney, your new company. This federal government organization job is based near the Sutherlandshire and are currently seeking a level 2 to 3 system engineer to join their team in a contract. This role is working on a project across decommissioning and upgrading computers. This role is based predominantly on site, where free on-site parking is provided. To be considered for this role, you must be an Australian citizen. Your new role. In this role, you will be working on Windows servers, workstation and upgrading computers. You will have extensive prior experience in a desktop support system engineer role and be able to work in a team and autonomously. You will liaise with vendors, do documentation, asset management, image computers and communicate with all stakeholders. What you will need to succeed: be an Australian citizen, minimum 3 to 4 years in a level 2 desktop or level 3 system engineer role, demonstrated experience with hardware rollouts projects, Windows Server and operating system, strong communication skills, PowerShell scripting, experience with security with an IT function. What you will get in return: 6 to 12 month contract, 450 to 550 daily depending on experience. Flexibility with working hours. What you need to do now: if you are interested in this role, click apply now. Or for more information and confidential discussion on this role, or to find out about more opportunities in IT, contact Ebony Hong at his on this number or email address. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, IT desktop support engineer required. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience, minimum 3 to 4 year experience in relevant field and your qualifications in relevant field, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV to this email address. And if you have any question about this job, so you can easily contact this number and ask question. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update, so you can easily visit and then search jobs and you can easily apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process. So it's very easy. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit and then apply. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.